Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture number 20. Today we are going to solve some more examples. So first question is del 2z by del x square plus del 2z by del x into del y minus 6 into del 2z by del y square is equal to y into cos x. Now we have to write this equation first in terms of d. So it is d square plus d dash minus 6d dash square into z is equal to y into cos x. Now write this in terms of m by replacing d by m and d dash by 1. So it is m square plus m minus 6 is equal to 0. So m roots are m is equal to 2 and minus 3. You can find out these roots by calculator also. So CF can be written as for different root f1 of y plus 2x plus f2 of y minus 3x. Now particular integral is 1 upon d square plus d dash minus 6 into d dash square into y into cos x. Now for y into cos x we don't have any case. We have exponential into trigonometric or exponential into polynomial case, but we don't have y into cos x. So what we are doing, we are using here general method. General method means find out factor of this and operate one by one factors over this function. So you can use for y plus 1 into sin x, or you can use this method for y square into cos x, or x plus y whole square into cos x, or x cos of 2x plus y. So for all this you can use general method. So general method is applicable to maximum number of problems also. So here 1 upon d minus 2 into d dash, and then what are the factors here? 2 and minus 3. So write 2 and minus 3 as m minus 2 m plus 3. So m minus 2 m plus 3. But what is m? M is d. And with this 2 we can write down d dash, because d is replaced by d dash is replaced by 1. So d minus 2 into d dash, d plus 3 into d dash. See, this can be written as m minus 2 into m plus 3 is equal to 0, but m is d minus 2 into this 1 can be written as d dash. Here also 1 can be written as d dash. So in this way we can write this factor and operate one by one factor. So I am keeping this outside, 1 upon d minus 2 d dash outside. Operate this 1 upon d plus 3 d dash over y into cos x. So 1 upon d minus 2 d dash 2d dash into integration of this while operating formula is integration and replace put y by c plus 3x. So put y here by c plus 3x multiplied by cos x, and integration is with respect to x. So use integration by part. This is first function u and this is v. So u into integration, general rule we can use here. So u into integration of v, that is sin x, plus minus integration derivative of this c plus 3x is 3, and integration of this sin x, previous term is minus of cos x. So minus minus it become plus. So this is 1 upon d minus 2 d dash. Again resubstitute the value. So c plus 3x is nothing but y into sin x plus 3 into cos x. Now one more term is remaining. So similarly we can operate this term over this bracket. So again replace d by y by c minus 2x now, because this is c minus 2x. So replace y by c minus 2x into sin x plus 3 cos x. So in first part this is u and this is v, and directly we get answer for 3 cos x. So c minus 2x into integration of sin x is minus cos x, minus derivative of c minus 2x is minus 2 into integration of minus cos x is minus sin x, plus 3 into integration of cos x is sin x. Again c minus 2x resubstitute it as y. So minus y cos x minus 2 sin x plus 3 sin x. So simplify it, we will get sin x minus y into cos x. So complete solution is z is equal to f1 of y plus 2x, f2 of y minus 3x plus sin x minus y cos x. Next, second question, which is on last case, that is solve d square plus 2d dash minus 8d dash square into z is equal to root of 2x plus 3y. Now here you can use that polynomial case also, but by using the general method or that integration method, it become easy. Whenever there is a x plus y or x plus 2y whole square or x plus 3y whole square, then at that time this method become easy. So first find out auxiliary auxiliary equation m square plus 2m minus 8 is equal to 0. Roots are m plus 4, m minus 2 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 2 and minus 4. CF is f1 of 5 plus 2x and f2 of 5 minus 4x. Now particular integral is 1 upon d square plus 2d dash minus 8d dash square into root. So this root is nothing but 1 upon d square plus 2d d dash minus 8d dash square multiplied by 2x plus 3y to the power root means half, to the power half. So what is this case? Case says that replace d by a, d dash by b, a means 2, d dash by 3, and order of the derivative is 2. So if order of the derivative is 2, then we have to integrate 2 times and replace this 2x plus 3y by substitute it by u. So see 1 upon a square plus 2 times d into d dash minus 8 into 3 square multiplied by double integration of u to the power half du du. So it become minus 1 by 56 calculation for this. U to the power half integration is u to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Again u to the power 3 by 2 integration is u to the power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. So it is u to the power 5 by 2 by 3 by 2 into 5 by 2. Minus, so answer for this is minus 1 upon 210 2x plus 3y to the power 5 by 2. So z is equal to, finally solution is CF plus PI, and z become f1 of 5 plus 2x plus f2 of 5 minus 4y 4x minus 1 upon 210 times 2x plus 3y to the power 5 by 2. So in this way we have covered here all cases, but we have solved only one example over each and every case, because problems are lengthy and it is difficult to make the video for 15 to 20 minutes. So in lecture we will discuss remaining problems, or you can solve so many examples on this, and if you have doubt you can ask to me. Thank you, and here our unit is over.